In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Microsoft Outlook. If you've got a list of contacts saved in a CSV file and you want them available right inside Outlook, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish, clearly and confidently. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is up, head to the File tab in the top left corner. This is where Outlook groups tools for bringing information in and out of the app. On the left sidebar, select Open and Export. From here, click Import Export to launch Outlook's Import and Export wizard, which will guide the rest of the process. In the wizard, choose Import from another program or file. This tells Outlook you're bringing in existing information rather than exporting or creating something new. Click Next to move forward. On the next screen, select Comma-Separated Values, commonly known as CSV. CSV files are a simple, universal format that most contact managers can create and Outlook can read. Click Next again. Now it's time to point Outlook to your file. Click Browse and select the CSV file that contains your contacts. If you're unsure which file to use, look for a CSV that was exported from your previous email client, phone, or address book. Make sure it's not open in another program while you import, as that can sometimes cause issues. Before proceeding, choose how you want Outlook to handle duplicates.